Hello mga boss, welcome dito sa video. So today I'm going to show you kung paano ba ako mag-send ng email campaign using sa GoHighLevel. So right now, what you're seeing right now sa screen ko is this is my mga email marketing content na nagawa ko na a few months ago kasi dito ko siya nilalagay sa Google Docs para it's easier for me na mag-copy-paste na lang. So this is the latest one that I've done. And then right now I'm going to GoHighLevel kasi dito ako mag-send ng aking email. So first, I'll be punta lang ako dito ngayon sa marketing. After sa marketing, punta ko ngayon dito sa emails. Yan, sa emails. Then after sa emails, gagawa muna ako ng template before actually sending it out. New. Tapos blank template. May tatlo dyan. May plain, may code editor, may design editor. I would normally go dito sa design kasi wala akong background dun sa coding or whatnot. So, yan. After dyan mag-load, the first thing that usually kinakopy ko again is this one, yung subject. Copy ko siya and then I would paste it dito. Yan. Dito yung paste niya. Yan, okay, dyan na siya. Tapos, I would normally delete this. Ito, mga ganyan. And then, i-drag ko lang tong text na nakalagay dito. Drag ko lang siya dyan. Boom. And then, first is, balik ako dito ngayon. Yan. Balik ako dito. And then, I would copy and then paste it over here na naman. Okay? Now, the second thing na gusto kong gawin muna is this one. Okay? Kailangan ko siya lagyan ng link. Kasi ito yung link kung saan if ever yung student mag-click dito or yung customer, so automatic ma-redirect siya sa website. In this case, ito na yung website na meron akong access. So I'll just copy the link here. Okay, copy ko lang yung link and then i-highlight ko to and then I would click this one. Saan ba yun? Dito, link text. Okay, boom. Then space dyan and then click save. I would then change the font color to something like this one para malata talaga na link talaga siya. Okay, so dito after this, okay, parang hindi to, okay, wait lang ito pala yung main na message, hindi pala yun. Okay, sorry, nagkamali. Change ko muna kasi parang nagamit ko to na email na to. And then dito, yan, copy and then change it to something like this. Okay, so nandyan na. So dito, hi boss. So lagyan natin ng first name para nakalagay hi Jake, something like that. So custom values na ako, contact and then first name, something like that. And then I would normally put it on bold na lang. Dito, gusto ko siyang merong button. So that's why I would really encourage you guys na mag-download ng Google extension na ang name is Joy Pixel. Kasi you can just type here whatever emojis that you want. For example, I wanna use this one. Type ko lang yung point para meron akong finger like that. Right? And then I would change it to something like this. Yan, diba? Easier siya. Mas okay siya. Okay? And then, yan. Yan yung ino-offer ko ngayon. So, once that's okay, yan, mapa-arrange na siya. I would then check muna dito if okay ba yung mga spacing and all. Kasi, obviously, galing to sa ChatGPT din. So, yan. After that, I would go sa plus sign ulit and then I would go with the divider. I-drag ko siya divider. What happens is may line dito, parang line para makita niyo yung line. And then dito I would add a footer. Yan, footer siya para meron siyang ganito. Yan. So I would put it in the middle and then usually I would change from Arial to Helvetica at 16 kasi ang 16 medyo malaki yung fonts niya. At saka dito rin para uniform Helvetica at saka 16 PX. Okay, so once that's done, click natin yung save template. Then after saving template, it's either I can go to contacts or I can go to create a campaign, or I can also go to my contacts dito sa contacts. Right, after sa contacts, I can just, kasi meron akong contact dito na more than 28,000 kung 28,000 people. So I could, use this one for example and then send an email to the following. For example, yan. So after that, sige, so I would go to more filters. Punta ko sa tags ngayon. Hanapin ko lang yung mga tao na naka-enroll sa akin for sa mga live tutorials, and tingnan natin kung may nakalagay ba. Ayan, may nakalagay na enrolled. Yan. So, may mga batch 10. Yan. So, tingnan natin na batch 10 FB ads. Apply kaya natin. Ilang tao dito? So, 132. Okay. So, okay na yan sa akin. 132 people. So, I would click this one and then select all 132. Then after that, I'm gonna send an email. So napakasimple lang, hindi naman siya ganun ka-complicated. Send email ako dito ngayon, guys. Right? Send ko lang yung email ko. Wait a minute. Yan, and then ito, send email. And then from templates, ang templates natin is, ano name ng title doon? Finally, ayan, I finally decided. I'm just gonna copy it. Then go back here para makita yung template, which is this one. Yan. And then, after that, lagay ito dito, Boss Jake TV, yung name ko. And then dito, support at the Bisaya freelancers. ph.com, for example. Yan. And then I'm gonna click send dito. Ang subject pala, dito rin copying of subject. Then I confirm all my contacts. Yan. And after that, I'm going to send an email. So, as easy as that. So, pwede ko na siyang ma-check ang progress ito kung okay ba siya. Then, after that, yun. So, pwede ko na nasa 77.27%. And then, yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you send an email marketing campaign. Kung gusto mong ganyan, gusto mong mag-send directly to contact, you can do it by using GoHighLevel. So, if you want to subscribe to GoHighLevel, you can click on the link below para makapag-message ka. Let's go!